So today we're looking at two similar customer service positions from two different but well known companies. Both positions are fully remote and available right now. We'll start with the position with the lower pay and move on to the position with a little bit higher pay. But if you're looking for a remote customer service job, at least one of these positions should catch your eye. Our first position is with U-Haul. It's a customer service agent full time. U-Haul, we all know, is the American moving truck, trailer, and self storage rental company based in Phoenix, Arizona. The requirements of what they're looking for in this position: U-Haul is seeking passionate and motivated professionals to join the team as remote customer service agents. In this role, you'll handle inbound calls, providing exceptional service and support while crafting personalized solutions to meet each customer's unique needs. You'll be equipped with the tools, training, and resources necessary to ensure every customer has a seamless and positive experience with U-Haul, all from the customer of your own home. Again, U-Haul is based in Phoenix, Arizona. I believe this position is based in Phoenix, Arizona. But again, it's fully remote. And as we move along in the posting, we'll see if there are actually any location restrictions. They tell you right away the compensation is $14 an hour. No hourly base wage may be higher depending on state or local minimum wage laws. Exclusive U-Haul benefits designed for your success. Some little perks that they have here: career and growth development. Um, Unlock your potential with on the job training and free online courses at U Haul University. Grow professionally while building a rewarding career. Comprehensive health and wellness benefits for eligible candidates. Enjoy full medical coverage, prescription plans, 24/7 access to a physician for your children, virtual doctors, along with dental and vision plans to keep you and your family healthy. Wellness reimbursement programs for eligible candidates. Take care of yourself with reimbursements for gym memberships, Weight Watchers, registered dietitian services, and the Mindset app. Financial wellness and protection. Secure your financial future with U-Haul Federal Credit Union membership, Dave Ramsey's Smart Dollar program, tuition reimbursement, plus MetLife Auto, home, and life insurance, LifeLock identity theft protection, and business travel insurance. Plans for your future: build wealth with our employee stock ownership plan, ESOP, and take advantage of our 401k savings plan for a comfortable retirement. So they have pretty comprehensive, pretty full benefit plan there. So let's look at the actual job requirements. You must be able to commit to and work 40 hours per week between 7 a.m. and 3:30 p.m. Arizona time on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Must be able to work at least one 8-hour shift on a weekend day per week, with priority given to candidates able to work both weekend days. Availability to work on holidays is required to provide continuous support for customers year round. On these holidays, you may be asked to adjust your schedule beyond your usual availability to meet business needs. Initial education training. Our paid dynamic 2-week training program is designed to quickly build on your existing skills and prepare you to independently assist U-Haul customers. The program combines instructor led discussions, role playing, interactive games, simulations, videos, and e learning modules through U Haul University. Our instructors, who bring real world experience from the front lines, will guide and support you every step of the way, ensuring you're ready to confidently handle customer calls starting in your first week. So I'm assuming that these are all virtual training. If it wasn't, it would say otherwise. Now, for minimum experience, a friendly, caring tone. Of course, that's important because you're going to be interacting with customers. Engage with customers in a friendly, approachable manner. Support a positive environment for customer interactions. Knowledgeable care for various customer needs. Maintain a deep understanding of our products and services to offer tailored solutions, anticipate customer needs, and offer proactive service. And since you're going to be getting such a strong training program, you should be able to do that. Ability to display empathy in adverse environments, show empathy and understanding when assisting with customer concerns, maintain composure in challenging situations, providing thoughtful and helpful solutions. Efficiency in navigation, navigate multiple software applications and systems with speed and accuracy. Employ quick problem solving skills to provide efficient solutions. Typing and language skills. Possess a normal typing speed, ensuring accurate data entry. Strong spelling and grammar skills for professional written communication. Completion of a job related assessment is required for consideration. Work from home requirements. All work duties, including initial education, must be performed at your home address in a private, quiet workspace. Yep, so it'll be virtual training. Dependent and or childcare arrangements must be made as if you are working in person in an office environment. This position does not allow flexibility to be on call care for others during work hours. So if you're used to a remote work environment where you have time to multitask, it's very clear with this position you're not going to be able to do that. So be prepared to devote all your time to this position while working remotely. A personal home computer, which meets the technical requirements below to be used during the application process and to perform your duties. As far as technical requirements, computer requirements, and internet speeds will be verified upon interview if hired, and if ever experiencing difficulty interruption, additional requirements may apply. And they have your computer specifications listed right there. You can go through them at your leisure whenever you're looking over the post, but they're pretty standard requirements for a remote position like this one. Okay. Physical demands. The work involves light physical exertion, including sitting for long periods, focusing on a computer screen, and taking phone calls using a wired headset. Now, so there are actually limitations of who can actually work for apply for this position. So applications are not currently accepted from residents of the following states. Here we go. Alaska, California, Colorado, Connecticut, Delaware, Hawaii, Illinois, Maryland, Maine, Massachusetts, Montana, Nevada, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Oregon, Rhode Island, Vermont, Washington, or the District Columbia. So, unfortunately, if you reside in any one of those states, you're not eligible for this position. But if you are eligible for the position and it sounds good to you, I mean, you may want to get the jump on applying. It didn't really say anything about a closing date for the application. So if you're interested, get your applications in as soon as possible. Our next and last position is with Staples they're looking for a customer success consultant. Yes, Staples, we all know Staples, an American office supply retail company headquartered in Framingham, Massachusetts. This current position is a US only opportunity. And what they're looking for is the customer success consultant provides program support to Staples Advantage customers, ensuring a positive customer experience. As a member of the Customer Success Consultant team, the CSC, as it's known as, will share responsibility for core account support activities such as onboarding, issue escalation, program implementation, and account maintenance within their collective book of business. They are expected to understand general account and customer dynamics and coordinate resolution of customer needs with minimal support from sales counterparts. So, right off the bat, the annual salary is between 51,000 and 62,000 a year. The top of that salary works out to be about just a little under $30 an hour. What you'll be doing. So here are some of the responsibilities of the customer success consultant. You resolve escalated customer inquiries related to service non selling issues to ensure successful resolution and good customer service. Good customer experience, perform necessary non selling tasks and account maintenance in support of customer onboarding, program rollouts, and other customer program and support projects, determine root cause of issues as appropriate, including delivery, website updates, credit, billing, order quotes, product stock returns, and vendor inquiries, assist in facilitating customer projects, relevant communications with updates to customer and sales counterparts, leverage support interactions to educate customers on core program features and self-service options and or customer service when feasible. Consistently meet activity goals and daily metrics utilizing salesforce.com to track account and planning activities. Timely issue resolution, customer satisfaction, ability to reduce non-selling activities for the account manager feedback, internal customer and external customer feedback, implement or facilitate improvements to procedures, services, or products, as well as development of new ideas, methods, techniques, services, and products. Account setup and maintenance, root cause analysis, account assortment and pricing, implementation, communicate and exchange of information both orally and in writing with both external and internal customers to include peers, managers, sales, leadership. Bring an exclusive and collaborative approach to their interactions, working across functionally and exclusively and inclusively to gather diverse perspectives to craft solutions and strategies. And what you will bring to the table. What do they need for you to bring to this position? The ability to interface at customers manager, director, or VP level, strong business acumen, ability to manage a demanding and unpredictable workload with efficiency and poise to resolve issues, attempt to remedy uncontrollable issues, and run a full circle solution for internal and external customers, strong knowledge of business essentials, including facility and break room technology products, business, furniture, print, and promotional products, which I guess will all come with training, experience with administrative project management tasks, process improvement and implementation experience, previous experience with account management, experience and a proven track record of managing programs, issue resolution, root cause analysis, and customer interaction, solid knowledge of business essentials, including facility and break room technology, products, business, furniture, print, and promotional products, ability to manage a demanding and unpredictable workload with efficiency and poised to resolve issues, attempt to remedy uncontrollable issues, and run a full circle solution for internal and external customers. It looks like they repeated that that section. Price decision making, make discretionary pricing decisions based on their knowledge of the account and the predetermined parameters set with the seller for independent daily adjustments to account quotes and pricing. Team selling environment. CSC is required to be actively involved in the future growth of an account, ability to function independently with minimal daily supervision, verbal and written communication skills, problem solving skills, knowledge of product applications, pricing, competition, and sales objectives, business process impact knowledge, time management skills, previous exposure to customer service escalation. Again, a lot of the competency they want you to have is obviously in the products that they have, and that will come with training. Qualifications, what's needed? Your basic qualifications: high school diploma or GED, 6 months experience using Microsoft Office, proficient in Microsoft Office and other basic software tools, 2 year plus in CSC with ability to partner with the ICAM position, category AEs, and the B2B site developers, 2 years of business experience, 2+ years of PC skills, including Word, Excel, and Access is a plus. Access is not required, but it's a plus. 2+ years experience in sales to include knowledge and understanding of the sales organization process. What's needed, what they prefer that you have, is a bachelor's degree, or if you have MS Access skills. Those two things will help you get through the door. What they offer: inclusive culture with associate led business resource groups, flexible PTO 22 days, and holiday schedule 7 observed paid holidays, online and retail discounts, company match, 401k, physical and mental health wellness programs, and more. So again, a pretty standard customer service position. Not seeing any deadline for submitting the application. It was just posted on April 23rd, a couple of days ago. So if you are interested in this position, this is one that you should really get a jump on. So those were the two customer service positions I had available from both U-Haul and Staples. If you are interested in either one of those positions, please get your applications in as soon as possible. And I guess I'll see you on the next video.